In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up for meetings on Monday.com. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to streamline your processes, this guide is designed to make your meeting preparations efficient and effective. Let's dive right in. First off, we'll create a dedicated space for your meetings, and we'll do this by setting up a new board. Visualize this board as your command center. Begin by naming it something straightforward like Team Meetings. This will serve as the hub where all information concerning your meetings will reside. Now populate this board with essential columns. Think of these columns as the components of a successful meeting. You'll need to include fields for date, time, attendees, agenda, status, and notes. This structure will ensure everything is organized and easily accessible. Once your board is set up, it's time to schedule your meetings. With your board ready, add a new item for each meeting you plan to conduct. Here, you should input key details such as the date, time, and attendees. This step essentially populates your calendar within Monday.com, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Next, let's assign attendees to these meetings. Utilize the people column effectively to specify who needs to attend. This not only clarifies roles but also impacts accountability. The beauty of Monday.com is in its collaborative features. When you tag someone in the updates, they receive automatic notifications, reinforcing awareness and participation. Now let's talk about preparing your agenda and notes. You have the flexibility to use the text or updates column to craft your agenda. The key here is clarity. Outline the topics to cover and allocate time for each segment. During the meeting, take advantage of the board's functionality by jotting notes directly into it. This promotes consistency and makes it simpler to reference decisions or follow-ups later on. Finally, let's explore the option of setting automations. While this step is optional, it can be a game changer. Consider setting up an automation that triggers notifications when the meeting date approaches. This feature acts as a gentle reminder for your attendees, ensuring everyone is prepared and punctual. It's these automated processes that lighten your load and keep your team synchronized. By following these steps, you empower yourself and your team with a robust framework for meeting management on Monday.com. From creating a dedicated board to automating reminders, each component plays a pivotal role in ensuring your meetings run smoothly and efficiently. Remember, the goal is to simplify and enhance communication, allowing you to focus on what really matters: productive collaboration. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful for setting up meetings on Monday.com. Until next time, stay organized.